Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to save and view favorites in Roblox on your PC. I show you guys how to do that. First open up browser and now you just need to search for roblox.com and you just need to log in your Roblox account. While browsing Roblox experience or the avatar shop, you will see an option to the accessory, place, cloth, audio and everything else. For games you want to favorite it, simply click on this favorite icon over here, and now this has been favorited guys. And just want to go to marketplace. For wearable, click on it, any of these, and if you want to add this as a favorite, click on this star icon, and now it has been added to your favorite list guys. To visit the favorites items, click on this profile icon over here, and now you just need to scroll down, select the favorites. Now in here you can preview all of the items you saved in each category, and you can also remove category from this list by clicking on any of these and uncheck this star icon, and that has been removed guys from this list. If you added so many of these, if you don't want anything else, you just want to unselect the star icon guys, and that has been removed from the favorited list. And that's how you do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.